Welcome to the CryptoNest. So it's been a while. I didn't do any update on Agix. So we had 5 wave up. We did a A, a B, and we're currently doing the C. I honestly thought the C was finished, but as you can see, well, Agix is very resilient determined to make a lower corrective movement. We kind of wick down to the 0.786. When was that? On the 10th of June. And after, we just kind of move on the side and now we're back on this level. But you can see that now how Fibonacci retracement are relevant because, price, it is really staying in this area, band on of this Fib retracement. So we still have a little bit of room to go lower. It wouldn't be dramatic, but we kind of now need to stop to go lower to make this chart reliable. We had a very nice impulsive movement for the first wave. So, but once again, you can really just kind of count 3 wave, 1, 2, 3. You really need to zoom in to find a way to fit in that fourth wave, which is like 3 days or 4. Oopsie, can't remember that. Yeah, so it's, the fourth wave was like 2 days. So less reliable, could be more bearish, unfortunately. We all know that investing in AI, it's way more risky than, Ethereum or Bitcoin. And yeah, we need to, it's part of the game, right? So no pain, no gain. High risk, it's high risk. High profit, high risk. All right, so, but for the moment, we're still not that bad. We are at the limit, right? We could go even lower, but then it would be very bad also because if we check, if we lose the, I would say the 15 cents, then we have nothing to hold until we go back to the 7 cents. Let me see VRVP. So VRVP, so it tells you what was the amount of trade at those levels. And as you can see, there is the fib and there is a high volume of trading of demand at these levels here. And after that, we have nothing, a little bit here at 9 cents. And after that, we go back at 5 cents. So this is why it's important to always take profit when we skyrocket. And after that, you start to accumulate slowly when the price goes lower. And after, you need to decide if you're still in or if you get out. Now I'm going to take out the VRVP. And yeah, so we're still going lower. Now we're kind of going on the side. So let's see if Agix is able to, get some strength and fight from keeping going lower, right? Now, as you can see, this is the MA 50. And you can see that it's reacting as a resistance many times, and now we're there as well. We can draw this, we only have to point that touch, only 2 candles, so it's not a strong trend. But yeah, so we're going to get squeeze between this trend and the MA 50 that is going to continue to go on the side. So we can see eventually what it's going to do. All right, so this is pretty much all for Agix for today. This is more for cowboy investors. You could say that, maybe, this is kind of the limit, right? To make the chart still good, right? Because we're at the limit of what the wave 2 should go. Lower it can go, but need to recover fast. The more you go lower, the less are the odds that this chart is going to be successful. And the more it go lower, the less we can say that still can have a bullish count. But for the moment, once again, we're still, it's a critical area zone. So we will see how it goes with that. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good weekend.